During a critical phase of flight, the exact moment of takeoff, pilots of an Airbus A220 faced a startling challenge. As the aircraft accelerated down the runway, the autothrottle unexpectedly disengaged, leading to confusion and a critical error. Attempting to re-engage the autothrottle at 106 knots, the flight crew mistakenly activated the autopilot instead, causing the aircraft to prematurely begin its rotation. This misstep resulted in the aircraft rotating too early, 27 knots below the required speed, risking a tail strike or worse. Despite the tension, the crew managed to regain control, pushing the thrust levers to maximum and stabilizing the aircraft just above the runway. This incident highlights the need for clear procedures and the importance of situational awareness. Airbus has responded by updating training and control systems to prevent such occurrences, ensuring the auto-throttle button is inhibited above 60 knots, reducing the risk of similar errors. Let's explore how these changes aim to enhance flight safety and pilot response during high-stakes moments of flight.